Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey people, welcome back to the channel. People, I have a story to tell you. My gosh, what a 24 hours it's been. So right now, I'm meant to be in Jamaica. Look where I am. Can you see? I'm in London. I'm at the train station, going back to my parents' house. I'm meant to be in Jamaica right now, guys. So, I missed my flight. Not my fault. I was flying indirectly. My transfer was delayed, which meant that I missed my ongoing flight. So I literally, for the last, 24 hours now. I've been traveling for like 24 hours, traveling because I was flying from Belgium. Went to Belgium yesterday. My transfer was late, got me there late. This morning, missed my flight. Jumped in a hotel for like 12-13 hours. Booked a flight to come back to London, so now I'm back in London. The next available flight isn't until next week, so I have to stay here a whole another week before I can get on the other flight. Craziness, madness, but people, I'm going to fill you in. Can you believe I'm meant to be in Jamaica? Like, I have to wait another week in England. I'm so right now. Don't even talk about Outlook, how he's feeling. Like, honestly, guys, it's a piece of drama, piece of story, but I have to give you the story. But I'm still in London. I should be in Jamaica. I have to wait another week to catch my flight. Miss my flight. Not my fault why I missed it, but here I am. So people, no Jamaica right now. Guys, I couldn't even turn on the camera earlier because I was bawling, I was angry, I was frustrated, and like, I couldn't even come on camera. But now I've kind of had time to just process it and just think, you know, everything happens for a reason. I'm not even going to sweat it. I'm not even going to get mad. So, guys, I'm going to fill you in anyway. But for now, your girl is still in England. Not where I want to be, but I just have to accept that these things happen. You know, it's life. And I've got another week until I go back. So, yes, guys. Here I am, at Pancras Station. So, yes, people, here's me and my 2 suitcases. Them lugger-luggering about. I've been lugger-luggering with these for 24 hours. Lugger-luggering with them 2 big suitcases for 24 hours, and I reach nowhere. Can you imagine? I've done one big circle, travelled to Belgium and travelled all the way back to London. Nothing to show for it but them 2 big suitcases, just lugger-luggering behind me. Oh boy. Hey everybody, I'm back in Jamaica.
So you don't say what glory that? Enough glory. Another prayers.
Yes, people, I'm back now, but guys, honestly, it hasn't been an easy road. It has not been an easy road. Pure drama along the way, but I'm just thankful that I'm back, right? And I'm back safe. So in the last clip, you would have seen that I was at the train station in London, St. Pancras, and I'd missed my flight. Yeah, I'd missed my flight to Jamaica. I explained why. It wasn't my fault, but I explained all that. Guys, coming back wasn't much easier. Came back and was delayed for over 4 hours. So that was annoying. So got back to Jamaica, feeling all good. When we got home, there was no water. Guys, no water. You know this happens from time to time, right? So before I came home, I'd really spoke to Outlaw. He said, oh, water's gone from like 10 o'clock in that morning. So I thought by the time I get in, because I got in the evening, you know, by the time they pick me up from the airport, I come in, there'll be water, right? No water. No water. Anyway, it is what it is. You know, when you travel, after a long day of travel, you just want to jump in the shower, hold a fresh, eat and go to sleep. Not the case. So the NWC advised that, you know, by the following day at what time? 3 o'clock? 10 o'clock?
10 o'clock that day.
10 o'clock.
3 o'clock the following day.
Yeah, 10 o'clock that the next day in the night, the water will be back on. Okay, fine. 10 o'clock come and gone, no water. Then the NWC sent out another advisory saying that they're having some issues and it's going to be 3 p.m. instead the next day or something like that. 3 p.m. next day come, no water. Until
no 3 p.m. not coming.
Oh, now it's the next day. It's the Sunday today, and we've been going through this since Friday. So Friday no water, Saturday no water, Sunday still no water. NWC haven't updated us. They haven't sent out an advisory or a notice to say anything. 3 days with no water. People, I'm not even gonna lie, it's been the worst. To come back to Jamaica, which I was happy, you know, I'm happy to be back, but to come back to that, can't hold a proper fresh, you can't, how do you flush the toilet? You know, you have to be buying lots of water. And I guess this is where a water tank is essential. A water tank is essential. We don't have a water tank where we are, but a water tank is essential for reasons like this. And my thing is, big 2022. Water is a basic necessity. And we can't get water in 2022. Like, make it make sense. It don't make no sense.
Jamaica, land of wood and Jamaica, land of wood and water.
Yeah.
Water.
No water, people. So this is happening all over the parish. So it's not just at our community, it's parish wide. All over the parish, communities have no water. No word from NWC when we can expect it. Guys, let me tell you something. I just got fed up. This morning I woke up, I was just fed up with no water, fed up with it. So I said, you know, I'm not staying here. I'm not staying here. I have to go somewhere, a guest house, a hotel or something, because I can't stay here with no water. Fortunately, we have work in Kingston tomorrow. So we said, you know what, we just booked a little guest house, a little cheap and cheerful guest house that we stay in sometimes when we're working. And we're on our way to Kingston now because I'm not staying at home with no water. You say? Yeah, I cannot do another day in the house with no water. I've done 3 days already. I can't take another day without no water. It's really, really difficult. And in times like this, you just realize how hard it is without water. You turn on your tap, nothing. Do you know what I mean? It's really difficult. So
and that's the truth, don't know me, people. All of the river them full up.
Yeah.
All rivers in the surrounding full up. Everybody can river.
Of course.
So you know what that means.
Of course. And we've been seeing people buying bottles of water, you know, and stuff like that. Yeah, crazy.
5 gallon and
yeah. So I can imagine the shops are probably even low on water right now.
5 gallon and 5 litre water by carry over gas. But a lot of people don't have money in the drum.
Yeah.
But you know what thing,
yeah. But I just got fed up, guys. I got fed up with it. I am not doing another day in this house. I'm not doing another day in this house, another night without water. Book me somewhere. I have to go somewhere. So like I said, we're working from Kingston. Work starts from Kingston tomorrow. So we're just, you know, stay in Kingston and then we can just pick up our passengers from there. And it's a bit easier for us to go. So we're on the road, but let me flip the camera. Right now, this is what I'm working with. Some red pea soup. I got this from Island Grill. Their soup's okay, actually. A little could be a little thicker in it, but it's nice. It has a nice taste, consistent. So it's a red pea soup with chicken in it. Yeah.
Right now.
So guys, yes, on the road, going to Kingston. Not staying in the house with no water. Can't manage it. I'm sorry. Now maybe that's a foreigner in me, but I don't know. But I can't manage it, people. What do you say?
I'm manners and prayers, man. We have to do we have to take care of everything. You know what thing go?
Yeah.
Yeah. We have to do what we have to do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Water is life.
Yeah.
So we have to find it in where there.
Exactly.
We have to find that.
And I'm very thankful that I can even go and stay somewhere, because I'm sure a lot of people cannot pick up themselves and say they're going here, they're going to go booking here or there. You understand?
Sure.
It's difficult, guys.
So we still give thanks every moment. You know?
Of course, always giving thanks.
Give thanks. We never left that.
No.
Never drop it.
No.
Because some people are trying to swap it.
Yeah.
We don't know them do it. Manners.
Yeah. Alright guys, we'll keep you updated. Hopefully the next time you see me, or the next, I know this vlog or maybe the next vlog, I'm back home and water is back on, right? Anyway guys, a little more. Okay, so yes people, we've just We've arrived in New Kingston and we've just checked into our little, it's like a bed and breakfast kind of situation, guest house kind of thing. So it's not really a hotel. But we usually stay in the Rocksteady room. So each room is named after like artist or an era of music. So we usually stay in the small Rocksteady room, but we're in the Bob Marley room. Yeah. Bob Marley room? Bob Marley room. So give you guys a quick look. So here we have got 2 beds in this room. Nice, clean, fresh. And yeah, really good on a budget, guys. We paid local rate, which we paid $65 US dollars. Your 2 beds. Yeah, it's good space as well. Your bathroom. Yeah, and you got a massive closet here. Your TV on the wall, and you got you know, your little mini fridge and microwave. Huge closet. Give you a little water outlet, put them in the fridge. Complimentary bottles of water. 2 beds. Yeah, $65 US dollars, guys. And it's in New Kingston, so you know you're in a good safe area. It's gated. Yeah, you can't just walk in. Yeah, so this is our little place that we stay when we have to work and we have to be in Kingston. So yeah, please. But yes, guys, most importantly, you know why I'm here. Not just because of work. Yes, I have work. We have work tomorrow, and we have a pickup in Kingston, so it's ideal. We're only picking up about 2 minutes away from where we are. The pickup is. But as you guys know, my dying child, I have no water at home. 3 days no water. So, and I said I'm not staying. So yeah, I can't wait to just jump in the shower and hold a good fresh. You know, guys. For the, you know them, I have to laugh. You know, like when you were younger, growing up, and either your mother, or in my case, like my grandmother, used to say, "Go and tidy." You're not tidy. Do you remember tidy? When last did you hear that word, tidy? Yeah, it's pure tidy. I've had to be doing. So to just immerse myself under the shower is going to be so great. I can't wait. Yeah, no more tidy for now. But yes, guys, it is what it is. Yeah.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.